Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Claude AI message to too long error. So you probably get error if you really copy a text really long and then it will says that its text is too long to process. So really simple way to fix this issue is like that we type in here, for example, something like that. So I'm going to send you long document in 3 parts. Do not analyze it until I send all parts. Here is part number 1. So now you can paste part number 1 right here and send it to the chat. Now, as you can see, Claude AI has understand that, and what we can do now, put in here part 2, and then at the end also part 3. And yeah, after part 3, Claude, you can give the Claude some further information or text that what you want to do with it. And yeah, this is pretty good way that you won't get any error that, with your message is too long. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next